It's really important when you're choosing an electric kit, and if you're choosing to play the electric kit in your exams, that you make sure the kit can actually do what we're asking you to do. Whether you're doing the rock and pop syllabus or the drum kit syllabus, there are certain things and certain sounds, certain tones that we're asking you to create, and those have to be really clear to the examiner, because it's making a musical statement. We're giving dynamics, we're giving shape. You have to be able to get the sounds out of the instrument. If your instrument can't, for example, play cross sticks, or can't play the rim of the floor tom in Couscous by Benny Greb on the new grade 7 drum kit syllabus, then it's not appropriate for the exam. There are certain songs that aren't going to work and certain songs that are. So you've got to be really careful if you're going to use an electric kit in the exams. Not to say you can't, they can be fantastic tools, but just make sure you're aware of that, and it is clearly stated in the syllabus.